Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Donogrene. I'm here to present this applet in mathematics. This applet is a nice one you can use in your classroom when you are teaching basic introduction to circle with your students. And all I have here is how do you unroll a circle, especially when you are when you are to teach your children circumference of a circle or area of a circle. You want to describe pi, that Greek word or Greek letter now, pi. How do you describe it for them? So you can use it to explain how pi came into existence. You can also use it to describe length of a circle with your student, and all those questions that also involve wheel. When a wheel turns at 360 degrees, they now say find the distance at which that wheel has moved, or that is the wheel of a tire, that is the wheel of a car. Just like that, as the car moves and the diameter is given, radius is given, just like that. So you can use it to understand some of these principles and use it anytime in your classroom and you are good to go. Let me just demonstrate the simple applet for you and you see how it goes. So this is a diameter. You can actually change the diameter of this circle. So you can see as I click on the slide, the circle gets bigger, this is smaller. Okay, so let me just leave it at a particular radius. Let me say 6 diameter now. Then let's unroll and see how the applet works. So if these numbers are not visible enough, there is a ruler now. You can increase it by clicking on this, zoom in. You can see it clearly now. Then you roll this. You can move it gently by touching the arrow button of your keyboard. You see the way it's going gently, or you click and drag. You can see as you are rolling it, you see the yellow line which is unrolling from the circle, which will describe the length of this circle as it starts from the beginning, this point, and where this point touches back the ruler. So that will be the circumference of the circle, which is this. So from the ruler you can take this length, you can measure this length, and from there you will see your value of pi will come out. The length of the circle will appear, the distance moved by a wheel of a vehicle in a particular distance when the diameter is given. Just like that, you can use it. So it's a simple applet. I just say let me show it to you guys, and you may want to use it in your classroom to make this thing look real to your students. You may not have the tool to bring it to your classroom to show to your students. You can just use this roller to demonstrate it for them and they will get it right. Let me just put this diameter to 7. You will see something here. So if I increase the radius, the diameter of this circle to 7, so let's see. You all know that pi in mathematics is defined as the length of a circle, which is the circumference of a circle, divided by the diameter. So when you divide the diameter of a circle with the circumference, it's going to give you pi. And you know the common constant we use for pi, which is 22/7. So if the radius is 3.5, which is 7 diameter, that means if I roll this, we are going to end up in 22, which will end up giving us 22 divided by the diameter 7, which will be equals to the value of pi. So when I roll it now, you will see it will stop at 22. You can see it. If you enlarge it, like zoom out, you can see it clearly. Stop at 22. So if you divide the length of this circle, which is from 0 to 22 now, divided by the diameter, which is 7, is equal to the value of pi. So this is just a simple applet. I just let me show you in this video so that you can use it anytime in your classroom to get the principle of pi and circumference of a circle. So that is all I have in this video. I hope you like this applet. So if you wish to use it anytime in your classroom, you can get it from the description of this video. Just get the link there, click on it, download it in your system, use it anytime you like, and you are good to go. So thank you so much for watching. Do have a nice day.